Hey guys, just an update. I had a long talk with DV. He canceled the seminar for next week, which I wouldn't say upset. I'm disappointed. Carl and I are still heading up. We plans have changed a little bit. We're going up Monday. Carla will be doing a bunch of videoing, and DV's got some booths, grinding booths he would like me to move and hook up, which is not a problem. I don't mind doing that. I'm going to bring up all the Mission Impossible stuff. There are a couple little things I'd like to do on the Mission Impossible stuff before I take it up there. I still have to run it through the program, which I haven't done. And an interesting thing is I spent I spent some time my lunch hour go reviewing the original the first original couple of videos with the Mission Impossible. And I noticed when Uncle Tony was doing doing the video with the 318 core engine he was going to bring to DVs, that had the single plane. That means if we stuck closer to his original plan, right, it would be the modified BBD, the single plane, the heads I worked up with the small valves, and a stock cam. Now, the stock cam, he says, is only 0.39. I think I'm going to do an experiment while the head's still bolted to the bench, and I'm going to put that single plane on with the BBD, and we'll have a good idea of where we're going to be. We already know that the cast iron exhaust manifolds are not that bad, so they're not really going to hold us up. In any case, this is an FYI video, and part two of the exhaust video of the headers and the cast iron manifolds. I don't know if I'm going to publish it today or tomorrow, but it's coming. It was a long video, so it really didn't matter that I got caught by the pause button and it's in two pieces. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good night.